Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. This is black color. Let's draw the shapes. It is hexagon. It is circle. It is triangle. It is five-pointed star. It is heart. It is trapezoid. Let's learn some color name. These are our colors. It is green color. It is red color. It is yellow color. Orange. Blue. It is pink color. Now let us color the shapes. It is orange color. It is hexagon. It is green color. It is circle. It is red color. It is triangle. It is yellow color. It is five-pointed star. It is pink color. It is heart. It is blue color. It is trapezoid. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is hexagon, orange color, circle, green color, triangle, red color, 5-pointed star, yellow color, heart, pink color, trapezoid, blue color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.